Hi. So today okay. Today I'm gonna do a vintage makeup tutorial because I saw Jeffree Star do it, and then he couldn't do like the dark eyebrows, and I have dark eyebrows. I wanted to see what it looked like really bad. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm kind of nervous because it's the first time I ever like filmed myself, but alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start the video.
Foundation is used as a base for the rest of your makeup. Work the foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline using gentle upward strokes.
If I want to do heavy foundation, or like, I'm gonna do like a middle one. So I'm gonna just use this one. Yeah, that looks right. She doesn't even put it on her face, so I don't know. Just the middle of the face. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That's cute. I'm going to go ahead and grab makeup wipes because I don't like stuff touching my hands. I feel like this would really get those girls in trouble that like do shades way darker, because there would be like a streak. That would suck.
My hands are like nasty. You know, I just... I guess that'd be nice. Oh boy. I'm blind. I can't see nothing right now. I haven't ordered contacts. Let me just that. Alright.
You can like see all my hair.
To cover them up, use a foundation 2 or 3 tones lighter than your base, or a
I might use this one because I use the shape tape for like heavy duty. And this is supposed to be light. Oh, did she? I don't know what she did, but I'm gonna put it on the wand because.
Alright, oh boy. I don't know why I don't use this one. I think almost.
That's why I didn't go to cosmetology school. This is not. It's almost the same color as my face. I can't tell. I'm using blind right now. It just happens. What are you doing?
He's funny. Okay. Blush is applied to give cheeks a quiet glow. A good rule to follow is never let blush come nearer the nose than an imaginary line dropped vertically from the center of the eye.
This is gonna look crazy, and I love blush, and this one's kind of like serious. It's by Wet n Wild. It's called Mellow Wine, and I know it looks crazy, and I'm sorry, but that's what I like because it makes me look like I'm sick. And most of the time I am. So.
The simplest powder to use is a colorless, translucent one.
Okay, I didn't realize he said she used like a cotton round.
Act on liberal. Tires. Oh, it's crusty. Oh well. It happens. Well, that's what happens when you use a stain powder. And I'll just keep taking from the side because that looks pale. A tuft of cotton that can be thrown away is the best powder puff to use.
Wait for the powder to set. Then, with another clean powder puff, brush away excess with downward strokes. eyebrow. Other plucking should be done under the brow.
Okay, my point is like way over here and my iris is like way over here, and if I had an arch right here it might make my face look better, but honestly I can't like move my eyebrow. So I'm just filming. I'm gonna stab myself in the eye there.
The iris. The tapered end of the brow should form a straight line past the outer corner of the eye to the side of the nostril.
Okay, hold on. See, that one's golden. Okay. She's only lining the top. Okay. So she lined the top. Ah, no. Okay, hold on. And then she said, put little strokes with the eyebrow and brush them. Wonderful. I think sure it's still recording. This is hard to do when you're blind. Alright, oh boy. I rely heavily on like the cleaning up with the concealer afterwards, so this is probably kind of a mess. Honestly, but what can you do? That was gross. I should not have done that. Oh boy. Hold on. No. Hold on. Is there a way to fix?
Mascara applied to lashes would complete the well-groomed eye and is sufficient eye makeup for the early teens. However, if you wish to give more attention to the eye, you may use the following procedure. A lid highlight with a creamy pale shade is flattering to most eyes.
Yeah. I'm gonna use Promise Ring in Adeline's palette. That smells good. Alright. Does my eye look accentuated?
Never wear bright, obvious evening colors. For contour and emphasis, a taupe or brown shade is placed into the lid crease and just above the lid.
Yes. So I'm going to use this one right here because it's pretty light. This one, I guess, don't matter, honestly. She said put it in the crease.
For protruding eyes, a dark shadow on the lid will make eyes seem less prominent. For deep-set eyes, a white or very light shade on the lid will make the eyes seem more prominent. The three pairs of eyes are exactly the same distance apart. These eyes seem to be closer. The effect was achieved by concentrating the shadow towards the nose and by bringing the eyebrows closer together. Here, the illusion
Of widely spaced eyes is created by placing the shadow and brows outward and far apart. A beam of pearly white or beige on the bone just beneath the brow emphasizes the bone structure.
eyeliner is used to make the lashes seem longer. There should be no hard, obvious line.
What color?
Apply as close to the lashes as possible, and remember, black can only be worn by girls with very black hair.
Well, that much. I suck at eyeliner. I don't know how this is gonna go. Okay. How far in does she go? Ow, I got like glitter in my eye.
Flattering shade for blondes or brunettes, as black adds harshness to the eye. Mascara makes lashes look longer and fuller. Incidentally, no amount of eye makeup will help if your eyes are drowsy and lackluster. To be wide-eyed and alert, a full measure of sleep is necessary.
Okay. Our eyelashes are straight. We have chronically straight eyelashes. So you're not going to see them even if I put mascara on and up like this. But I look not awake anymore. No, I'm kidding. I don't ever put mascara on my bottom lashes because I got frog eyes and I don't want to take away from them, you know? You gotta have freakishly large eyeballs at all times. Oh my god, I hate putting on mascara. I can never figure out how the girls like get their mascara to look super thick and like that was rude. I need chapstick. My lip. I got foundation on them. There's a clump that won't go away. You know what? Whatever. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Alright, I don't have, oh, I'm about to use a little wedge and we're gonna wipe out. I don't know how that worked. I just want to get all that mascara off because it bothers me. There's still some under there, whatever. You know what?
Definitely relates to the clearness and sparkle of your eyes. Vitamin A and plenty of water are essential for this. After the mascara, separate the lashes with a clean brush. The generally accepted age for wearing lipstick is about 14. A subtle color is the most becoming. To apply lipstick, prop your elbows firmly on the table, supporting the chin with one hand while steadying the action with your drawing hand. Start from the center of the upper lip, drawing.
I don't have a lipstick brush. I don't think. Someone just used regular lipstick. I don't know. She said subtle color. I'll use this one. Yeah.
A smooth curve to the outer corner. On the lower lip, start at the corner and come to the center.
Ooh. That will never in my life happen that smoothly again. They'll look more even than I've ever done them.
With a brush laid flat. Fill in with the brush or the lipstick itself. Blot the excess. For a softer, smoother look, apply a lip gloss. Remember, lips need protection as well as the skin.
Do I have lip gloss? Did she use? I don't know what she used. Hold on. I'm gonna use this color.
If you prefer not to wear a
I'm gonna use this
lipstick,
ColourPop one.
do wear a
In
lip
Swan
gloss.
Song.
Lip shapes can be changed. For example, thin lips can be corrected by overpainting. Thick lips can be narrowed by covering them with base, then using color only toward the inside of the lips. Too wide lips can be made less obvious by covering the outer corners with base. Skin blemishes cannot be entirely avoided by most young girls. Makeup can conceal them, but a healthy diet and cleanliness can often prevent them. Most important, never pick or squeeze a blemish. It makes matters worse.
Look, found my new everyday makeup tutorial, except I'm gonna clean these eyebrows up because why they look like that, I don't know. Anyways, thanks, bye.